Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Tornado.io. So, in this episode I think I'm going to try to get a prestige or two more. I know I said I didn't want to, but I really want to be able to complete one or two of the solo maps. It just doesn't seem like I'm gaining experience quick enough to do it in that time frame. So hopefully when I go back to Battle Royale, they class me with other players that are in a similar level. So let's head over there and get to destroying. Alright guys, so as you can see I am ready to prestige. Go, and we can get a few more levels there. Alright, let's come over here to solo and see what that does. Alright, play. Alright, there we go. Trees, and lots of trees. I don't know why the wood gives wood and leaves, grass gives you the best XP right away. It's kind of weird. Alright, fences and trees and corn. Alright, trucks, car. Alright, size 5. It doesn't look like we're... Alright, yay, we can now eat we can eat the fan. Chickens are yummy. Alright, Stonehenge. Water tower. Alright, yep, not gonna pull it off. Man. Alright, continue. Alright, let's go back over to game mode, or Battle Royale. Alright. Here we go. Alright. There we go. The gold is what you want us to go for starting out in this level. Ooh. The ad at the bottom of the screen is frustrating. Size 3. Alright. Plants. Alright, so we got a guy over there that's yellow. I think we're coming up on being able to take him out. There we go. Yep. We can do you too. Come here. Come here, wooden... whoever you are. Alright. Here we go. Come on. Alright. Size up. There we go. I like your skin, but you're dead. Alright. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to beat that guy. Alright, continue. Alright. Let's try this again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. Hey. Corta? Are you the same guy I ate last time? You better, you're not him? Alright. There we go. Alright. Come here, players.
Triple kill!
Yes. Alright. Continue. Alright. Here we go. Oh, you can't eat the frozen trees right away. That's annoying. Alright, grass. Gotta eat the grass. Oh, jeez. No, you guys are too close. Don't run me over. Come on. Alright. There we go. There we go. Now we're getting there. Oh man, we got some work to do to catch up. Got a little bit of work to do to catch up here. Oh, there's... No, he's mine. Go away. Alright. Whew. That was close. I'm gaining on him rather quickly. Come here, Mr. Murder. Miss Murder. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yes. Continue. Right up. Alright. Let's keep going. Gotta level up so we can finally beat the solo maps. Alright. I mean, trees are just crazy. I know I keep saying that because it just keeps kind of blowing my mind on how quickly the trees skyrocket your XP. Alright, here we go. We are... Alright. Come here. I don't know who that was. It's hard to read their names. There we go. Demolition. Did I lose you? Come here. Thank you. Ooh, candy level. Alright. No, my trees. My trees. You can't have them. No. No. Mine. Alright. Who are you? Where are you? Who is... Come here, lady. Fantastic. You can't have my trees. My trees. Where are you? Come here. Thank you. You. Come here, you. Come here. Where are you? Where did you go? There you are. Oh, demolition again. Come here, demolition. There you go. Alright. It's Prestige again. Alright, let's try Solo again. See if Prestige even makes a difference here. Alright, let's try. Alright. Wood. Pearl. Alright. Is Captain Jack Sparrow in here somewhere? Alright. Palm leaves. Those are yummy. Dock. Alright. This tree. This dock. Alright. Go. Fire. Be a fire tornado. Oh, come on. You're a tornado. You should be able to get stuck. Alright. Here we go. Screw you, boats. Alright. This is going better, so maybe Prestige does actually do something. Can I do 50? I got 50%. Sweet. Continue. Alright. Let's go again. Alright. Like I said, you gotta always start with the trees if you really want to get ahead of the game right off the bat. So, alright. There's a carnival. Oh, here we go. Go. Alright. Can we even get the banners off the castle? Can't get the castle yet. Oh, can we get the castle now? We can get the tents. Come on. No? Well, screw you then. Alright. And we got the road, more pallets. Alright. Let's just take out the road, yeah? Alright. See, only 20%. I don't think we're gonna get to 50% on this map. Man, this mode is difficult. Sparknado. Ooh, let's take a look. Oh. Alright, I was gonna finish up, but let's do one more. Let's take a look at this new skin. It's kind of cool. I mean, it's okay. I like I think I like the, Skullnado. Just does a little bit more, right? Alright. So, not really concerned with beating this map this time, because like I said, I just wanted to see this, skin. So, those are some big skeletons. That's pretty crazy. I don't want to find any of those just kind of get rid of the evidence of this. The evidence. Alright. Solar panels. Alright, guys. Well, I think that's going to be it for this episode of Tornado.io. We prestiged a couple times. We got a couple more wins in Battle Royale. Didn't make a whole lot of progress in solo mode. But anyways, thank you for your attention. Really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Like and subscribe for me, would you please? And we will see you guys next time. Thank you.